Manu? Okay, okay, let us start the discussion on MCQs. Let me check my voice first. Right, voice is coming, right? Yashwant says it is coming, sir. It is okay now. So let me start. So actually today we are going to discuss some very important questions regarding the artificial intelligence. Actually, how to how what kind of MCQs can be built on this topic, particularly on artificial intelligence, because this is totally a theoretical topic. So students sometimes they are not aware about what kind of questions can be designed on an artificial intelligence, and how complexity, how much complexity is how much complex questions can be designed. So I am waiting for the others to be joined. Yashwant, Arpit Gangwar, and Panchika Rai. They joined us. So many more, I think. Yes, they are saying you are audible. So to start with, basically, I would like to start from this topic first. I'll make it little bit interactive. I will throw you a question and ask the answer from your side, and the best answer, and after that I will explain the answer to you. So I will give a chance first of all to you, those who can answer it quickly. I will announce their name, and I will announce their names, and then I will give the correct explanation. There are total about 20-25 questions that I want to discuss with you. These are the questions which are important one, maybe asked to you in your exams, or in the entrance exams whatsoever you are given in your upcoming life. So let me first of all start with weak AI. I would like to discuss what is weak AI. Weak AI क्या होता है? Weak AI is the both the most limited and the most common of the three types of AI. Basically, there are three types of AI. One is what we call ANI, and another is what we call super AI, and last one is what we call the strong AI. Sorry, first one is the ANI, then the strong ANI, strong, and at the last super AI. So let me first of all go through all these three, because this is very important to know with, prior to start the questions, and in the meantime other will also join. So weak AI is the most limited and the most common of the three types. Basically इसके अंदर the weak AI refers to any AI tool that focusing on doing one task really well. That is, it has a narrow scope in terms of what it can do. The idea behind weak AI is not to mimic or replicate human intelligence, rather it is simulate human behavior. So it's now we're near machine human intelligence, and it is not trying to. Basically, in weak AI, if I told you, if I give you one example of weak AI, it's a kind of machine to which you can give an instruction, and that machine will perform that instruction only. It will not apply its own brain, because there is no learning kind of thing in weak AI. So that is what we call weak AI. And going towards the strong AI, little bit somewhat intelligent AI, that we may say. With an application of machine learning, we can design a strong AI robots, and the machines which will learn from its own experience. Basically, it has some senses, like after a certain time it should have to check certain parameters, and the machine gets stopped. So this is what we call the strong AI. And at the end, the super AI is which is something the in which the human intelligence and ability with what left for the last of the types of the AI. Super AI is the AI that surpasses human intelligence and ability. It is also known as artificial intelligence. So the very big, so the super AI is a field where right now the researches are going on. Still not we are able to design the super AI kinds of robots with us. So still, The very important point I would like to mention over here, that the short forms. So weak AI is also called the narrow AI, and it also termed as ANI. Similarly, the strong AI is also called artificial general intelligence, that is AGI. So this is very important. You have to remember this. The weak AI, again I am repeating, it is ANI, that is artificial narrow intelligence, and the strong AI is the artificial general intelligence, that is what we call AGI, and at the last super AI, that is what we call ASI. This is a short form of these three types of AI. So this is some why I'm particularly giving a force on these three terms, because maybe this may be asked to you in the terms of the short forms. What is this ASI called? Then you must have to remember it. It is artificial super intelligence. So I hope everybody understand this. So now let us start the MCQs, to discuss the MCQs with you. That is the one of the prime motive of this live streaming. So let me start with the first question. Strong AI is dash. What is strong AI is? So you just mention A, B, C, D. If you know the answer, you just mentioned on the screen. I can understand. So the strong AI is the embodiment of the human intelligence capabilities within a computer, or a set of computer programs that produce output that would be considered to reflect intelligence if it were generated by human, or the study of the mental faculties through the use of mental models implemented on the computer, or all of the mentioned above. So Rahul Tanwar say answer D. So yes, this is the probably the answer, because strong AI accompanies all these things, as I already mentioned to you. So Rahul Tanwar, Arpit Gangwar, Rajat Puri, they said answer is D. It is okay, and this is so your answer is D. Let me mark this. Answer is D. So this is correct. Now, what is the general term of blind searching? So blind searching is what we call informed search, uninformed search, or both, or heuristic search. So the answer to the second one, blind search. Blind search is blind search. Blind search is informed or uninformed. It is damn sure they are from informed or uninformed. B. It is uninformed search. Yes, many of you are giving the correct answer. The answer is B. Why it is B? Uninformed search means what? There is no prior knowledge for that particular search. And informed search is what? Where we have some prior knowledge. So blind searching means what? There is no the prior knowledge will be there. So uninformed search is the answer. Uninformed search is the answer, not option A. It is uninformed search. That is an option B. Asif, I think he mentioned option A, but yes, the uninformed search is the blind search. So let us move toward the third. What is the artificial intelligence? This is again a very important question. What is artificial intelligence? Putting your intelligence into computer, or programming with your own intelligence, or making a machine intelligent, or playing a game? So let me see the answers. Answer to the third one. What is the artificial intelligence? What is artificial intelligence? So I am getting an answer. Yashpant say A, putting your intelligence into computer. I think no. Vaibhav Gandhi says C, making the machine intelligence. Yes, C is the correct answer. C is the correct answer. C, I will tell you why. Putting your intelligence into computer, it doesn't mean it is not you. If you put your intelligence only, it will not make the computer intelligent. So this option is wrong. Another option given to you is programming with your own intelligence. That is not an artificial intelligence. Artificial intelligence means to make a machine more intelligent. So the correct answer, and playing a game also, this is not an answer. So playing a machine intelligence Making a machine more intelligence is the correct option here. So what is the artificial intelligence? It means making a machine intelligent, right? So answer would be the C1. So let me click it, and for this it is uninformed search. So let me click this also. Now let me move towards the next one. This is very important. Which search method takes less memory? This is a very important question, and several times asked in the various entrance exams. Which search method takes less memory? Depth first search, breadth first search, optimal search, or linear search? So let me see what kind of answer. Let me see the response from you all. Yeah, Shishi Chaudhary says C, optimal search. No. Saurabh said D, linear search. No. Optimal, Jashwant. No. Gangwar said D, linear search. No, wrong. Yashvi Khera said D. No. See, which search takes less memory? Actually, you have to understand this. Rajat Puri say B, breadth first search. No, no, your answer is not correct. Option B. Everybody says option B, breadth first search. Okay. Muskan Gupta also said breadth first search. C. Yes, your answer is correct. In breadth first search, in the depth first search, you have to, store whole tree. Yes, BFS is correct. Asif Khan is say BFS. It is correct. Breadth first search is the correct answer, because in the depth first search, if you remember the algorithm, in the algorithm, what we in depth first search, we first of all, we move towards the last node and then retrace back. So this how it will take. So all the graph or whole tree is it is stored inside the memory. So depth first search consumes more memory rather than in the breadth first search. It is not happen like depth first search. So the breadth first search, it occupies less memory. So the correct answer is breadth first search. And this is important question, maybe asked to you in your exam also, and in entrance exams it will be asked many times. So let me move towards the next question. A heuristic is a way of trying. The heuristic is Vanshika Rai say then A. Yeah, depth first search is it is the time consuming, but breadth first search is a less memory taken. It is okay. Now heuristic search is a way of trying. Number one, to discover something, an idea embedded in a program, or to search and measure how far a node in a search tree seems to be a goal, to compare two nodes in a search tree to see if one is better than the other is, or all of the mentioned above. Heuristic is a way of trying what? Heuristic is a way of trying what? Rajat Puri say A. Yashvi Khera say D. Muskan Gupta say B. See, heuristic means, first of all, you have to understand. Heuristic means, you have, okay, in the meantime, I'm also, checking your options that you are giving. So, yeah, B, everybody say B, the search. Okay, let Rahul Talwar say A, Asif Khan say A. So, let me elaborate this. Heuristic is what? See, heuristic means you have some prior knowledge of a particular thing. So discover something or an idea embedded in a program. Yes, this is also a heuristic. To search and measure how far a node in a search tree seems to be from a goal. Definitely some prior knowledge is also needed in this. So B is also a heuristic. So to compare two nodes in a search tree to see if one is better, definitely for this also you need some knowledge. So I think from my point of view, all of the mentioned above is the answer. The heuristic is a way of trying. D, all of the mentioned above, because heuristic means you have to understand this. Most of you, Rajat Purishe, sir, heuristic means niskarsh. No, not a niskarsh. Heuristic is not a niskarsh. You get confused. Heuristic means some prior knowledge with you. That is adversarial. That is adversarial. Nishkarsh means adversarial. You misinterpreted with the term. So the answer would be the D. Yeah, D is coming from all now. I think everybody is agree. Jaswant say D, Rahul Tanwar say D, and Saurabh also say D. So heuristic is a way of trying all. Yeah, inference means nishkarsh. Yes, yes. Inference means nishkarsh. Yes, we discussed this, Yashwant. So let me move towards the next question. The performance of an agent. This is okay. Rajat Puri say okay. So the performance of agent can be improved by. Now this is a very important question. Agent is what? Agent is sensor as well as actuator. So sensor and actuator they form an agent. The performance of an agent can be improved by. Performance of an agent can be improved by learning, observing, perceiving, or none of the above. Arpit Gangwar said A. Yes, A is the answer. Learning. Yes, performance of an agent can be improved by learning. This is the answer, not by observing, not by perceiving. Agent can be agent can be make more or more intelligent only with learning. That is why nowadays machine learning is yeah. Answer is everybody says A. Yashwant, Asif Khan, Saurabh say A. Yes, Rajat Puri A. Learning. Srishti Chaudhary say A. Yashvika A. Srishti Chaudhary then A. Rahul Tanwar A. Right. Muskan Gupta. B is given by Arpita Goyal. Arpita, no. Please see. Observing is not an answer. Learning is an answer. You just correct yourself. By learning, the agent can be made more intelligent. So let me move towards the next question. Which of the following could be the approaches to artificial intelligence? So that is why I started my lecture from this point. That is why I started my lecture from this point only. Which of the following could be the approaches to the artificial intelligence? Which of the following could be the approaches to the artificial intelligence? So I am getting an answer for this question also. Whether it is SAI, WAI, AAI. Yes, answer is D. Yes. All is the types of all these are the types of the artificial intelligence. I in the beginning of the class I mentioned it: strong AI, weak AI, and narrow AI or applied AI. So very good. The answer would be D. Now I have a little bit confidence on you. Maybe you all do great in your test. So let me move towards the next question. This is again a very important question. An artificial neural network is based on what? Now, ANN, artificial neural network is some kind of intelligence in which we use our brain, and the strong AI, weak AI, and applied AI are not the answer. The cognitive AI is basically something which deals with the AI, our brain. So probably the answer would be the cognitive AI approach. So this is important. I think everybody agree with me. Yeah, Yashwant says C, Rajat Puri says C, Shishi Chaudhary says C, Nidhi Singh says C. Yeah, cognitive. Saurabh says C. Right, right. I think everybody enjoying this. So this give me more motivation, to continue. Right. So let me move towards the next question now. Now, complete automated chess game is based on what? The complete automatic chess game, learn from the previous games, which also learn from the previous games. So it is not weak, it is not cognitive, it is not applied. I think it is a strong AI, and the strong AI will be the correct answer for this. Yeah, Vanchika, everybody says yes. Yeah, complete automatic chess engine. The answer is Saurabh say A. Yeah, Saurabh is the first man, and Rahul Tanwar also say A. Asif Khan say A. Vishal Arora A. Yashvikara A. Raj Puri sir, it is A. Okay, right. So I think this is a easy question that I asked you. So let me. So let. Okay, sorry for the interruption. Yeah. So now the next question would be, what is the state space? What is the state space? This is very important question, and I have never marked it. I will wait for your option first, then I will mark it. Whether it is a whole problem, whether your definition to the problem, whether problem your design representing your problem with a variable and parameter. So let me wait for the answer first. Yashwant said D. Rajatpuri said D. Yes, the D is the correct answer. Right. Because the state space, the whole problem is not a state space. Your definition of a problem is not a state space. Problem your design is not a state space. Very good. Saurabh say A. Saurabh, you just correct yourself. It is not A. The whole game is not. The whole problem is not a state space. Basically, representing your problem with variables and and parameters is what we call the state space. So this is a very important question, right? So let me move towards the next question. See, this is another type of the problem will be given to you in your exams also, in the form of true false. How the true false will become? So let me read the question for you. The problem solving agent with the several limited option of unknown values can decide what to do by just examining different possible sequences of action that leads to a state's known value and then choosing the best sequence. This process of looking for such a sequence is called search. Whether it is true or false, I think it is true, because this is a search basically to examine the different nodes and taking an action. So let me see the answer from your side. Yeah, Arpit Gangwar say A, Yashvi Khera A, true, right, it is a true. So I hope everybody understand this question also. So let me move towards the next question. The search algorithm, see, this is another way. This is another way of putting a question to you, like in the filling the blanks type. The search algorithm takes dash as an input and return dash as an output. So search algorithm takes problem, I think, problem as an input and return as a solution as an output. So probably the B is the answer. Let me wait from your side what you say, whether A or B. Yashwant said D. D. Yes, Yashwant say B. Yeah, B is the answer, beta. The search algorithm में क्या आता है? Problem को it will take as an input. Yeah, Rahul Tanwar say B 100% right. So I'll lock Rahul Tanwar answer, and its answer will be the B, right? So let me move towards the next. Which is the best way to go for a game playing problem? What is the best way to go for a game playing problem? Linear approach, heuristic approach, random approach, or an optimal approach? Definitely for a game playing, what we want, we all should want that we should have some prior knowledge of that game. So it must be a heuristic approach. It must be some heuristic approach. Otherwise, you can't play a game if you don't know about a particular game. How you can play that game? So I think the answer would be B. Asif Khan said D. Optimal approach. No, no, not optimal approach. Game playing problem. So definitely it is an heuristic approach. It is an heuristic approach. Just remember this. This is an important question. Not an optimal approach. Optimal is if you want to win. Optimal approach is an answer if they said you have to win it. If you want to try to win it, then your answer would be D. But what is the best way to go and game playing? For a game playing problem, it must be heuristic. You should have some knowledge about that game. I think you all understand this. So let me move towards the next question. Consider a problem of preparing a schedule for a class student. Now you are preparing we are making a timetable. I think yeah. Consider preparing a schedule for a class student. What type of problem is this? Is this a what type of problem is this? Is this a search problem, backtrack problem, CSP problem, or planning problem? So obviously, whenever we are going to frame a timetable for you, we have to take a constraint of each and every teachers. Some are free in some sections, or some are not free during that time period. So we have to take care of all the constraint. So its answer would be definitely CSP, constraint satisfaction problem. Yeah. From your side, I think the answer is coming C. Yeah, Arpit Kanwar says C. So I think everybody now says C. Yeah, C is confirmed. Vishal Arora said D. Not a D. That is not a planning problem basically. Planning is something else. CS constant satisfaction is something else. So yeah, now I think everybody understand. So, next question. Backtracking is based on what? Backtracking, whenever in a hill climbing, particularly we use this as a for a prevention of the hill climbing problems. We do certain backtracking at a certain interval. Is it last in first out, first in first out, a recursion, or all both last in first out and recursion? Yes, definitely it is. Last in first out and recursion. This is the answer. This is your answer, because it backtracking involve last in first out, all the process we involve, and recursion also we take the action also. So the answer would be both last in, out, and recursion. I hope everybody also agree with me. Yeah, Yashpant say D, Shishi Chaudhary say D, Rahul Tanwar say D. So right, so you must have awareness about the backtracking. I hope everybody enjoying this. So let me move towards the next one. Next question. Yeah. When do we call the states are safely explored? A goal state is unreachable from any state. A goal state is denied access. A goal state is reachable from every state, or none of the above. I think the answer would be, from my side, it is C. The goal state is reachable from each and every state. Then only it is called safely explored. Let me see the answer from your side. Yeah, Jashpant says C. A goal state is reachable from every state. Then it is called safely explored. Otherwise, otherwise it is not a yeah. Vaibhav Gandhi, Nidhi Singh, Asif Khan, Arpit Goel, everybody says C. So I think everybody agree with me. So let's move next. Which of the following algorithm is generally used in CSP search algorithm? Constraint satisfaction problem. Which of the following algorithm is used? Breadth first search, depth first search, hill climbing, or none of the mentioned above? So obviously in constraint satisfaction problem, let me ask this answer from you people. You guys, you just mentioned. Yes, everybody says C is the correct answer. That is a hill climbing. Yeah, hill climbing search algorithm is generally used in constant satisfaction problem, right? So let me move towards the next question now. Yeah, correct. So which search is equal to min-max search but eliminates the branches that can't influence the final decision? Which search is equivalent to minimax search? Yeah, in minimax search, we okay. Let me ask. Searches but eliminates the branches. I think everybody knows this. Eliminates means what? Yeah, eliminate means alpha beta pruning, right? Very good. Pruning means to cut the branches. So or eliminate the branches. So this is the answer. This is and everybody marked it correct. Alpha beta pruning, right. So let me move towards the next one. Yeah, this is very important question and several times asked in the various entrance exams. To which depth does alpha beta pruning can be applied? Let me ask this. Let me invite the answer from your side. Yeah, let me invite whether it is limited to 10 state, 8 state, 6 state, or any depth. I think it can be applied to any depth. Yeah, D, right, any depth. As you can't say any depth, right? So your answer is correct. Your answer is correct, and we have very few questions left with us. Let me quickly covered all. So let me move towards the next. These all are the important questions basically. That is why I would like to discuss all the questions with you. So which search is similar to minimax search? Hill climbing, depth first search, breadth first search, or all of the mentioned? In minimax, we explore the whole tree first of all till the depth, then we come back. So it is just like depth first search. Saurabh say B, Shishi Chaudhary said D, any depth. Judge say B, Arpit Kanwar say B. Yeah, depth first search is the correct answer for this. So let me move toward the next. Which value is assigned to alpha and beta in the alpha beta pruning? So alpha is for max, yes it is correct. Beta is for min, yes it is also correct. But there is one more option where both alpha is equal to max and beta is equal to min. Yes, this is the appropriate answer. So your answer must be D. You must have to carefully attempt the questions because several times it may be the answer may be given you in discrete form than in the clubbed form. Yeah, I am getting the response very fast. I think this question is already discussed several times in the class. That is why you all marked it fast. So this is all about I'm just trying to make your confidence high. Just make your confidence high. These kind of question will be asked to you in your exam. Definitely, I'll cover all the searches and all the particular topics which are in your course. So definitely you will get a question of each and every type in your exam. So all the best for your exam, and with this hope I am stopping this live streaming here. Still, if you have any doubt, you can WhatsApp me on my personal anytime. I will respond you back. And with this hope, all the best for your exam. We'll meet tomorrow in the morning. Thank you. Bye bye.